Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. In this video, we will continue to learn for the chapter 9, differentiation. So basically we have done a 9.1 which is find the derivative using first principle, which is we use the concept for the chapter 8 limit. And then we have done 9.2 which is basic rule and product rule. Now in this video, we want to continue for the quotient rule, chain rule, power rule, and we have another one which is higher order derivative. Okay, so let's move to quotient rule. Okay, so for the quotient rule is quite strict compared to product rule, where we have product rule which is d over dx uv, which is u v prime plus v u prime. Ini tak ada masalah kalau kita terbalik sebab di tengah-tengah adalah operasi tambah. But then for the quotient rule, we have to follow the formula itself carefully because we have the middle sign is the negative sign. So kalau salah masuk dalam formula dia, the whole thing akan salah sampai bawah. Okay, so we go for the example 4, which is for part A, we have 5x square minus 2 over 1 plus 4x. Okay, so kita kena tahu which one is the U, which one is our V. So bahagian atas adalah U, bahagian bawah adalah V. So our U which is 5x square minus 2 and then the V which is 1 plus 4x. Okay, so you need to find your U prime and the V prime. Okay, so U prime kita tahu coefficient darab dengan differentiate x square kita dapat 2x. So we have 10x here. And then the V prime we differentiate 4x, we have 4. Yang tak ada x kita tak differentiate sebab dia directly kita dapat kosong. Okay, so substitute into the formula. So from y we change to be dy over dx. So substitute into the correct formula, we have vu prime which is 1 plus 4x multiply with 10x minus with the uv prime. We have 4 multiply with 5x square minus 2 and then the whole thing divided by v square. So we have 1 plus 4x the whole thing square. So bahagian bawah tak perlu expand, we just leave it like that. Okay, so we have to expand the whole thing for the numerator. So kita akan dapat 10x tambah 40x square tolak dengan 20x square plus 8. So ingat kita ada negatif di luar, negatif di dalam, dia adalah positive 8. So the whole thing divided by 1 plus 4x square the whole thing. So bahagian atas kita boleh simplify dengan combine dx square. So end up 2x square plus 10x plus 8. So bahagian bawah masih lagi kita tak buat apa-apa, just copy the whole thing back. So inilah jawapan untuk part A. Okay, so now we move to part B, which is we have fx equal to 3 minus 1 over x divided by x plus 5. So di dalam bentuk pecahan, obviously we have to use quotient rule. Okay, so atas adalah U, bawah adalah V. So di sini adalah U, di sini adalah V. Okay, sebab tu kita panggil quotient sebab dia adalah pecahan. Okay, so U adalah 3 minus 1 over x, di mana saya ubah di dalam bentuk 3 minus x over, x to the power of negative 1. Kita bawa naik x tu ke atas supaya senang untuk kita differentiate. So our v which is x plus 5. So our u prime will be differentiate 3 kita dapat kosong, differentiate x negative 1 will be negative x negative 2. So end up will be 1 over x squared. Okay, and then we have v prime di mana dia adalah differentiate x adalah 1, differentiate 5 dapat kosong. Okay, so directly we substitute into the formula. So differentiate fx kita akan dapat f prime. So the formula will be vu prime. Okay, so will be X tambah 5 darab dengan 1 per X square. Tolak dengan U V prime, kita dapat 1 dan juga 3 tolak 1 per X. And then the whole thing divided by the V square, X tambah 5 dan the whole thing square. Okay, kita kembangkan bahagian atas sahaja. So darab masuk, X jumpa dengan 1 over X square, kita akan dapat 1 over X. 5 jumpa dengan 1 over X square adalah 5 per X square. Negatif jumpa dalam positif will be negative 3. Negatif jumpa negatif will be positive 3 over X. And then the whole thing must be divided by X plus 5 square. Kita tak ubah apa-apa, bawah jangan expand. So combine mana yang patut, kita akan jumpa di mana dia adalah, this one should be 1, right? Sebab dia tak ada 3 dekat depan. So di sini adalah 1. Okay. So we have 1 over X plus 1 over X will be 2 over X. Okay. And then we have plus 5X square minus 3, and then the whole thing must be X plus 5 and then square. Okay. So balance up denominator for the bahagian atas. Untuk numerator saja, kita balancekan dulu denominator by making all the denominator bahagian atas adalah X square. So kita akan dapat 2X tambah 5 tolak 3X square. The whole thing masih lagi divided by X square, and then bahagian bawah adalah X plus 5 square. So yang ini kita boleh bawa turun ke bawah. So kita akan dapat 2X tambah 5 tolak 3X square per X square X plus 5 square. Okay. So that's our part B. Okay. So yang tadi saya ada buat silap dekat sini, di mana tadi saya buat 3 tapi sepatutnya dia adalah 1 over X. Okay. Which is we bring in everything to the bracket. Okay. So 1 over X plus 5 over X square minus 3 plus 1 over X. So 1 over X di sini boleh combine dengan di sini. Kita akan dapat 2 over X. And then yang lain saling balik. And then we balance up denominator by making everything for the numerator which is divided by X square. Then X square tu boleh bawa turun ke bawah. Okay, so we have done quotient rule.